All right, so here we are. Just pulled back up into the garage. It's a good 15-minute ride at highway speeds from home, where I sprung that leak. And let's see what's going on. Nothing. No leak. I'm at a loss here. Is there anything in the coolant system that would cause excessive pressure intermittently? Let me turn my light on here. Yeah, so I'm saying, is there anything in the coolant system that would cause excessive pressure intermittently? Because I'm wondering if, I replaced the radiator because it cracked and shot fluid out. And now that the radiator's replaced, my water pump is mysteriously leaking on and off. Right now it's not leaking. 5 minutes from now it'll start leaking, just out of nowhere. Could it be that the water pump is bad and that caused some sort of excessive pressure in the system, which blew my radiator? Or could it be that the radiator somehow got blocked or something, and that caused excessive pressure, and that's what caused it to blow up, and it took my water pump with it? Or I don't think it's the head gasket, because I don't show any other signs of a bad head gasket. I don't have any bubbles in my coolant when I take the cap off and let it run. I don't have any white smoke coming out of the exhaust in the back. I don't have any coolant in my oil. My oil is nice and brown like it should be. I don't know. I can't think of anything else. Maybe somebody can chime in here and let me know if maybe you've dealt with something like this. Because right now it's not leaking. And the second that I think that the problem's solved, it'll start leaking again.